Alright, guys, this is my first episode of homemade cooking in your hotel room. Yes, and I'm preparing my chicken biryani with some instant, it's called Shan Bombay Biryani Special. Now, I've already cut up pieces. What I need: chicken, tomatoes, potatoes, and very importantly, this is what I've been taught, uh, ground ginger and what is this? Garlic. All right. Now, what I need to do is actually take the onions and brown them first. Okay? Brown them first. So, this very simple. Very simple. Take the onions. Brown the onions first. See, just like that. Very simple, right? Very simple. Okay, good. Excuse me for my outfit. I only got my shorts on. Okay, not too hot. I am a professional chef, by the way. Alright, so this is my hotel room. I'm renting this room per month. Okay, so brown the onions first. This is what I've been taught. Right? I think I need a little bit more oil. Hold on there. Alright. This is what I've been taught by my Indian friend. Are you in focus? Are we in focus? Right? Are we still rolling? Good. So as you can see outside, that's towards my balcony. Okay. A little bit more. Huh? Well, this is what I bought from my Big C supermarket. One of those Japanese inventions. Portable burner with one of those gas cartridges, right? You could buy the butane gas for, how much is that? 50 baht, so $1.20. And this whole thing cost me, I believe, 500 baht, which is $12. So I'm browning my onions. I know I need more onions, but you have to bear with me because I only had half of onion. What can I say? Alright, so doing this. As you can see, I already chopped up my chicken, vegetables, tomatoes and potatoes. Oh, I gotta put my yeah, I think maybe too early, but this might be a little too thick, huh? Yeah. Well, you know, I'm gonna put the whole thing in. No measuring cups, nothing like that. You see what's happening here? And now, what I'm gonna do, and you're not supposed to do this, but I'm doing this so that I could cook my potatoes in the pan. See, without any water, and with the shallow pan that I have, potatoes won't be down for a long time. So, I'm cheating, alright? Where's the way? I'm gonna put some water in the pan, okay? Just a little bit. Just like that. Alright, turn it up. just like this. Make sure the potatoes are submerged, sort of halfway, right? That. You see what's happening here? Cooking, cooking. Now, here is the time. Here. Hold on. See what's happening here? Ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic. And put this in here. Like so. Alright. You see what's happening here? And you know, another thing I'm missing is mayonnaise. Not mayonnaise, yogurt. There won't be any yogurt in this one. That's why it's called fast cooking in your hotel room. Quick cooking in your hotel room. Alright? See what's happening here? Very nice. You gotta let it simmer. Cook through the potatoes. You see? Do you see? Do you see how wonderful this is? I'm gonna move this here like this. Alright? You see my balcony? What's the angle here, man? I got the whole thing happening. Already 6 minutes, 7 minutes into this cooking situation. Alright, just let it simmer. Let it cook through the potatoes, you see? You see? And the onions here, man. Is it in focus? I hope so. Focus. Right there. Okay. See? Do you see the piece of you see this potato here? Maybe too thick. So just about when the potatoes are done, I'm gonna throw in, chuck my chicken, because chicken only takes about a couple of minutes for them to cook. Good. So just about when these are done, the potatoes are cooked all the way through. I'm going to throw them in. See, this is cheating. And flipping, you're not supposed to do this. See what's happening? Flip. Flip. I think I need just a little bit more water. Alright? Just a little bit more water. Okay. I'm simply doing this so you folks don't need to go out to eat. Because what I do, I cook everything at home. In my room, that is. Okay? And you could cook anything you want. From fried rice to omelets to just a little bit more, right? Here, because so you got the vegetables, and I also have my whatchamacallit. You see, I bought some ginger. The market only costs like 10 cents. Garlic and everything. Chicken, I buy chicken in bulk. I buy like 5 pounds. You put them in the freezer, right? Put them in a Ziploc bag. They're in there. I could eat for 1 month. I buy it in bulk. Pork, slice them up, eat them as a pork chop. Buy lots of chicken breast, chicken legs, chicken thighs. Buy steaks, beef steak, all frozen. Ground beef, all frozen. When I would feel like making spaghetti sauce, take 1 or 2 pieces out, defrost them, very easy. Cooking is easy, ladies and gentlemen. See this? So whenever you're traveling, like myself, I'm all over the place, man. All over Southeast Asia. Whether it be in Thailand, Philippines, so you cook this. I think it's too much. You know, you Indians and Pakistani guys, you're gonna tell me you are doing this wrong. But I'm just saying, you know, you could cook anything you will. Okay? I know I'm not doing this right. Okay? Just like that. Let it simmer. Let it simmer. Alright? Because once it's simmered, this is what I got. So in focus. Oh yeah. Siru. Oh yeah. Biryani. Chicken Bombay biryani, right? Oh, I love Indian food, man. I have passion for Indian food. As soon as that chicken goes in, pieces of chicken go in, I'm gonna put this mother in the pot, in the pan. Okay, so you let the potato cook. I think my next recipe is my homemade Japanese curry. Okay, and after that will be my Italian spaghetti sauce. See what's happening right here? Is it in focus? Let me see here. I think I need to up it just a little bit. See, up it a little bit like this. Oh yeah. See, this way you can see everything, right? You tilt it just a little bit like that. Right? Where's my, you can't even see my hand. Balcony over here. Okay. Well, already 12 minutes into my cooking this biryani. See, it's already beginning to thoroughly cook through the potatoes. Here. And you know what? Let's just put the chicken in. Alright, so the chicken goes in. That'll take about 5 minutes. But the reason why I put the chicken in is because it covers the potatoes. Therefore, potatoes cook fast. If you know anything about cooking, there's a reason why we do certain things. Right? Slowly simmer, right? Slowly, slow. So the chickens are on top. You see what's happening here? And I'm flipping my potatoes as we go along here. Alright? Yeah, I already have my rice cooked. Okay, it's in the fridge. Sort of cold. But you know, what can you do? Just simply put the biryani on top. The sauce will, the rice will soak up the sauce. Perfect. Alright. Do you think I need I think I might need just a little bit more water. Just a tiny. I don't know. Just like that. I wonder if turning on this fan is going to make any difference in terms of sound. Can you hear the sound? Not too much? How is the angle? Here, I'm moving this just a little bit. So you can see the mirror. This is the hotel room, all right? Okay, so turn it up, you know. As soon as you put in water, it's going to lower the temperature of the pan, the sauce. Okay, so you need to raise it. you need to be constantly be on the lookout. Well, what needs to be done? You understand, guys? See, look, turn it over, turn it over. If I had a bigger pot, no, not a bigger pot, a deeper pot, then we wouldn't have any problem, right? But you know, as a traveler, a vagabond such as myself, I got this in 2 pans and a rice cooker, by the way. See? You see the rice cooker? This is what I use. All right. This is looking good. See? Chicken biryani my way. Just like what Frank Sinatra said, right? I'm doing this my way. Alright? Next time I'll sing for you, if you like. One of the keys to cooking in your hotel is have something against the wall like this. So it doesn't splash all over the wall. Tell me. So, only thing I'm missing from this, it's probably one of the biggest ingredients, yogurt. That's it. I put everything, garlic, ginger, sauce. Can you see? Are we in focus? How about something like this? Is that better? Can you see better? I'm similar. Yeah. Can you see that? That's wonderful, huh? Look at that. Nice camera work. Nice camera work. Alright. Okay, like that. Just like this. So it's simmering. Potatoes should be done. Look at these pieces of chicken are already done. Okay. Slowly. To lower the temperature. Oh, so I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit and just pause my recording, okay? Thank you. All right.